Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best wireless mechanical keyboard. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Red Thunder K95 wireless mechanical keyboard. This keyboard blends advanced features with premium design, offering power, customization, and comfort for gamers and professionals alike. Let's get started. Product features: Smart TFT screen and CNC knob. The Red Thunder K95 features a 1.88-inch TFT display with a CNC control knob that shows time, date, battery level, connection mode, and key status while allowing quick control of volume, RGB, language, and custom GIFs. Triple mode connectivity. This keyboard supports 2.4G wireless, Bluetooth, and wired modes, making it easy to switch between Windows, Mac OS, laptops, tablets, and desktops using dedicated top switches for smooth multitasking. Gasket-mounted typing feel. The advanced gasket structure with 5-layer shock absorption delivers a softer, quieter, and more consistent keystroke feel, ideal for long typing sessions and high-speed competitive gaming. Hot swappable mechanical switches. The hot swappable PCB supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, and the pre-lubed pink switches provide smooth, responsive key presses, with extra spare switches included for customization. Full key anti-ghosting performance. Every key is precisely positioned on a single key plate with full anti-ghosting support, ensuring accurate inputs during intense gaming or fast typing without missed keystrokes. Long battery life with RGB. Powered by an 8,000 mAh battery, the K95 delivers up to 48 hours with RGB lighting on and up to 266 hours without lighting, supported by vivid 1.68 million color RGB effects. Ergonomic 90% layout design. The compact 90% layout saves desk space while keeping essential keys, enhanced by durable dual-color PBT keycaps, stepped design, and adjustable feet for comfortable daily use. Pros: premium TFT screen and control knob. Multiple connection modes for flexibility. Excellent typing comfort and build quality. Strong battery life with vibrant RGB. Highly customizable software support. Cons: slightly heavier than standard keyboards. Software learning curve for beginners. Higher price than basic mechanical keyboards. Final thoughts. If you want a mechanical keyboard that delivers style, performance, and deep customization, the Red Thunder K95 wireless mechanical keyboard is a powerful choice. It's built to satisfy gamers, creators, and professionals who want more from their setup. Want to transform your typing and gaming experience instantly? Check the price link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more in-depth and honest product reviews. See you in the next video.